Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to talk about healing, as I promised you when I was making the videos about Age of Aquarius and the meditation videos. I promised you I'm going to do a series on healing with help of which you can actually heal your own self. Now when I'm doing this series on healing, I'm going to talk about one, what is healing; second, our body's capacity to heal; third, I'm going to talk about different types of healings that are available, and then I'm going to talk about how healing works. And then I'm going to share two techniques with you. One, if you have time; second, if you don't have time, extra time, that you can use to heal yourself. And once we do this, I'm going to, in later videos, I'm going to talk about why do we have health issues, what are the different techniques, and I'm going to also, because I'm a Reiki master, I'm also going to share with you videos on Reiki as to how you can get attuned to Reiki, how you can start practicing Reiki. But trust me on this, it's the energy that's available to all of us, in all of us. We can actually do that without learning or without getting attunement or without going to a particular school for learning this. It's available to all of us. It's in the universe. We all are made of energy, and this is an energy, so this is basically available to all of us. Now when I start making the video, the first thing that I want to share with you is that if you have a physical health issue, and these healings, they work physically, emotionally, mentally and spiritually, so all four areas of your life. But if you have a physical health issue where a surgery is needed, or if you have a mental or physical health issue where you are undergoing or taking medications, I would suggest that don't think that I've started healing so I can immediately stop medication. No, don't do that, because healing is a very slow process. It's a process as to how much you do it, how much you involve in it, how much you believe in it, the more you will see the results of it. And slowly and gradually, yes, you can reach a stage where you will not need as much or maybe at all medication that you needed earlier. But because our body ages, because this is natural tendency of our body to age, and when our body ages, there are things that become less powerful. The energies, our body energies, or the system becomes less powerful. So there are some medical helps that we need every now and then. So I will suggest you that start this as a healing technique for yourself. Like every day, start practicing this, and slowly and gradually, yes, there is a possibility that you get on very less medication or you get on no medication at all, but not immediately, because it's a slow process. Second, when we talk about healing basically is when you are able to get rid of problems, physical, emotional, mental, spiritual blockages in your body, and your body starts becoming more smoother, more healthy, more happy. So body has its own wisdom, body can be happy, and we have gut feeling, right? So our gut tells when we want to have more, when we want to have less, when we feel about somebody, when we will feel about a certain situation. That's our body's capacity or the wisdom that our body has. So yes, so body will be more happier, healthier. That's what healing is. Now probably none of us has taken out time to actually recognize and acknowledge and appreciate the amazing abilities that our body has. If you get a cut and a bruise, it automatically heals itself. If you undergo like a huge big surgery, there are so many stitches, you cannot move, your body organs are removed, and then your body again kind of gets back to the same zone. It adjusts itself to the changes. When there's a particular organ that's even removed, it adjusts itself to the changes and everything, and beautifully starts working again. That's how beautiful our body is. That's how it is. That's how amazing it is. Our nails grow, our hair grow, the teeth, the first set of teeth fall out, and then the second set comes out. So there is amazing capabilities and capacities that our body has, but we never take out time to appreciate them. And probably it's the first way of healing yourself is to appreciate your body, appreciate its capacity. Now when we talk about healing techniques, there are multiple techniques of healing that are available in today's world. So there's Reiki, there's pranic healing, there's color therapy, there is stone healing, there is divine healing, there is any number of healings. Everybody have created their own ways of healing and serving it to other people. So there are multiple ways of healing that you can think of. Now while you know these ways of healing, or you kind of get through these ways of healing, the people who are practicing them, the people who are doing them are two kind of people. One who are genuinely practicing them, so they genuinely wants to help you, they genuinely want to help you, genuinely want you to kind of feel better, feel healthier, and that's why they are doing these practices. Because not every one of us can realize, it's not that you don't have it, you don't realize it, so you're not able to channelize it, and that's why you're not able to flow it. So not everyone is into that zone, that is why they are doing it for other people. So they are the genuine ones. Now you cannot judge the genuinity with if they are charging or they are not, because in today's world, if you have to survive, you need money, right? So you will be charging. So if they are charging for it is not the condition to test their genuineness. How will you judge their genuineness? One, the effect that you have on your body and mind and spirit. So how good you feel about it is the first criteria to judge them. Second, how much dependency are they creating? If they are telling you need to get it done like every now and then, when you get it done you feel fine, but they don't give you any techniques or tips through which you can actually continue that effect that you have, or some practices, then they're not the genuine ones. Then the other group, which is actually not genuine, they are using this to mint money. They're using this to actually take advantage of people's emotions or their weaknesses. Now this is the other group, and you will know it if they are creating a dependency for you, or if they are just charging like a blind shit amount of money to you, and if you don't feel good about it, your body will tell you you don't feel good about it. Maybe the effect kind of is there for a day or two, and you again get back to the same problems and same energies, and you again go back to them. So this could be the second set of people who are not genuine. Now when I'm talking about this, why I'm talking about this is because there are good people also who are practicing this for the benefit of humanity, and we cannot deny the practices that they have. They are good practices, they are helping you guys. But my point of making this video is that we all have the capacity to do it by ourselves. So we don't need anybody else to do it for us. We can do it for our own selves. You just have to realize that you can be a medium for that energy to flow to you. And if you actually become a channel or a medium to that energy, it will flow to you. It will actually absolutely beautifully flow to you and heal you. Now, how can you do that? How does that healing works? Healing that is done through these practices is either through white light or violet light or golden light. These are basically three major lights or the colors that are used for it. Now when you're talking about these lights, the most important or the most common one is the white light healing. White light healing is used in almost all kind of healings. Now what is this white light and how you can use it? White light is the light or the energy that is inside us and that is outside us. It's all everywhere. It's the energy that created us, right? So if this energy created us, it's all around us. Now what we have to do for healing ourselves with white light? Two techniques I'm going to share, and for both these techniques you can choose which one you want to try and practice in your life. For the first technique, you will have to ensure that you are lying in the bed or you are sitting somewhere where you are comfortable. Comfort is the first criteria, and that I spoke about in my meditation video also, that the comfort is the first criteria for any kind of thing or any kind of healing or meditation to work for you. So wherever, however you're comfortable, you get into that position. Once you get into that position, close your eyes and think that there is immense amount of white healing energy. It's a positive healing spiritual energy that's all around you. Now that energy is inside you as well, but the energy that is around you is immense, is beautiful, is healing, is great energy. It's all spiritual and divine energy. Now you need to imagine that your top of your head is crown chakra. I already have videos on chakras, all chakras on my channel, but they are in Hindi. I'll make the ones in English soon. I say this, I don't get time, but I will. But there are a lot of videos on YouTube, otherwise you can watch them. But this is the crown chakra. So you are going to imagine from top of your head, this white light or this white energy is flowing into your body. Now when it is flowing into your body, it is going through each body part of yours and each organ of yours and each vein of yours, each nerve of yours, and when it is going through that, it is actually removing all the blockages. So wherever in your body there is pain, there is blockage, there is problem, no matter where it is, you're going to just imagine that white energy or white light flowing to that area of your life and cleaning it or clearing it and filling it with white or healing energy. Now when you're flowing this energy in and you're actually cleaning or clearing that dark energy or that black energy or that problem energy, there are two ways you can clean it. One, you will imagine it going into Mother Earth. So it's going into ground, and when it is going into, and you don't really have to put your feet on Mother Earth to imagine that. Wherever, if you're lying on the bed, you are already connected to Mother Earth, so it is flowing into Mother Earth. When it flows into Mother Earth, you will imagine this energy to change into good energy while flowing into Mother Earth and come out as a tree somewhere. Okay. Second way is when you actually imagine this energy to flow out of your body. So all those blockages are flowing out of your body, and when they are flowing out of your body, they're going away in horizon. So they are going far away from you, and wherever they are going, while that they are moving, they're changing to black, from the black to the white energy, to the golden energy. So they are changing. Now why this change is necessary? Because if we actually keep them flowing into Mother Earth or into atmosphere in that black form, it will all be filled with black energy or dark energy or blockages. So that is why it is very important to convert that into a good energy. Now when you're doing that, you can actually let this energy flow from your head to toe, toe to head, head to toe, as many times as you feel comfortable or you want. And then once you're done, you're going to say thank you to this energy, thank you to your body. So you're going to say, I thank this white light, I thank the divine, I thank my soul, my guides, my body, and I know this energy is in my body is healed and happy. Say this prayer every time, and when you do that, this is the first technique, you will feel a difference. From the first time you will start feeling a difference. Second technique is, this is the first technique. If you fall asleep while doing this, it is beautiful, it is amazing. So you can actually do it while going to sleep. Before you go to sleep, you can do it. It's a good practice. It will help you sleep well also, and the healing will continue to happen throughout the time you are sleeping. It's good for your body. So the more healing you will have, more healing time you will have. So you can do it while going to sleep. Now if you are a person who falls to bed and sleeps, and you don't have time throughout the day, you can do it while traveling. If you're not driving, if you're driving, you cannot do it while traveling, but you can do the same technique while traveling. If you're driving while you're going to your office or work or anything, then you can do this technique while bathing. Okay, so you can connect this white energy with water. So whatever water you're flowing on your body, it is already charged with that white energy. It's going on in your body, and the same thing, it's healing, clearing all the blockages are going into Mother Earth, and from there they're changing into something green or better energy, and then they are coming out as a tree somewhere. That's the practice that you can do. So these are two tips that I'm going to share today with you. I'm going to share many more with you in the upcoming videos, and I would want you to give me feedback, start practicing that, and send me through comments how they are working for you. If you have questions, send me those questions. Also share these techniques with anyone and everyone that you can, because see, these are the videos who can be helpful for every person on planet Earth. So if you can share them, it's going to be good. Also I'm going to make a lot of videos, because there's download that is happening. It has become faster. So since I've made the video on Age of Aquarius, somebody asked me to make a video on aliens, and I think the download is very fast. There are information that is coming through my guides and angels to me, and I'm going to share all that information with you very soon about aliens, about the negative energies, about the blockages. So everything is going to come to you, and while doing that, I'm not going to miss your tarot learning videos. I know I'm very slow, I'm really sorry, but I will try to kind of take time, make those videos and share them also in between with you, so that you can continue learning your tarot cards. And please send me your feedbacks, please send me your questions, and I will see you with the next video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.